This album welcome. Go and get yourself a copy and be happy.
Carbon interacts with all aspects of our environment, mixing with the water, land, and atmosphere. Organisms live in all places on our Earth and play a very important role in the carbon cycle.
Carbon moves from the atmosphere to the ocean's surface through a process called diffusion. Diffusion is when the carbon particles disperse into the air via water vapor.
Plant life absorbs carbon through photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process in which complex organic materials from carbon dioxide and water, using sunlight as a source of energy, and with the aid of chlorophyll, creates glucose. Plants store the carbon and use it for growth.
All animals absorb carbon through consumption, which is then returned to the air via respiration. Consumption can simply be explained as the intake of nutrients from food. Respiration is the combined process in which oxygen is used. Water and carbon dioxide are byproducts.
When plants and animals die, their remains decompose into the soil. Sometimes the carbon from their fossilized remains transforms into fossil fuels, such as oil, natural gas, and coal. Alternatively, the fossils can form large calcium carbonate deposits such as limestone.
Both animals and plants give off carbon through cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is a process where the cells break down glucose and use it as energy. This energy is used for other cellular work.
Tides and running water erode the ground. The carbon from the ground is sometimes deposited on the ocean floor.
Large amounts of carbon can be found in substances made from calcium carbonate such as shells and limestone.
Carbon is also released into the atmosphere through combustion. In the past few centuries, humans have largely been affecting the carbon cycle negatively. The burning of fossil fuels, such as petroleum and coal, releases huge amounts of CO2 into the atmosphere. CO2 amounts are accumulating faster than it can be processed through the carbon cycle. This has a negative impact on our environment because it eats away some of the greenhouse gases, which insulate our Earth and protect us from harmful UV rays from the sun.
Fucking got it. Take it off.
Alright, I think you should try to take it off. You want me to reject it off? Don't care
What? Is it zoomed out? That does not look zoomed out, does it? Doesn't matter.
It's really, it's gonna be shaky.
Media propaganda.
No, I mean like just hold it here and just walk. Like, you don't have to walk slowly.
I'm zoomed in though.
Can I get in front of
Zoom
you?
out.
It's like locked.
Media propaganda.
Good.
Alright, there's no pathway down there, so it can't lead down there.
Oh my god. Thanks. Please don't spit in the shot.
Oh, sorry. Are you filming me?
No. No.
Okay. Please back up. What are you doing?
Stop.
No.
It smells really bad. What?
This isn't a very good time of year for snakes.
What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean by good?
This is not a very good.
So you mean it's good? It's not good for us or good for snakes?
Not a good
us.
time for snakes.
It's good for us.
Good for us because snakes are bad and they're not going to be around?
Yes, exactly.
Oh. I'm still filming.